So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and I welcome you to the post market analysis of Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. So first of all guys, congratulations to all of those who are listening to our videos, because I know the people those who are following us and just taking the good knowledge that we are sharing. I think every one of you was greatly happy today, because whether it was market falling earlier or later on market was on recovery, both the things has been communicated. You can see that I had given you the levels, the important levels. Once market breached those levels, market fall very sharply, and after that when market reached the support level that we had marked a long time ago, as soon as market reached those level, market reacted and recovers from that level. Let me show you that on the Nifty 50. So as you can see, here is the Nifty 50. Nifty 50 falls, and you can see this particular zone, oh my god, we had marked it from so long, right? This monthly earlier resistance now acting as a support. You can see that market has taken exactly support at that level, so it was quite obvious that market has reached this level, and now market can show some recovery. And there were signs on the charts also as to that recovery can happen. So I think you guys were able to book profits on the both side of movement, whether it was first sharp fall or afterwards recovery, right? So as the weekly candle has been established, so first of all let me take you to the Nifty 50 weekly chart to show you as to what sort of a thing we have on the Nifty 50 weekly charts. So here is the Nifty 50 weekly chart. You can see that how good this candle has been made between the support and the resistance, and apart from this candle has been made at top, and this candle looks like an bearish candlestick to me. As you can see, the difference between the opening and closing is not great. It's a difference of 108 points only, but the difference between the high and the low is almost 450 points. So this is huge, right? The difference between the high and the low is huge. The difference between the high and low is almost 450 points. This is looks like a candle which is of a reversal candlestick. As far as this candle looks like to me, this is a reversal candlesticks. But yeah, definitely upcoming week will be a confirming week, right? So what sort of confirmations can come, right? There can be very different sort of confirmations, right? Confirmation can be like prices closing downside this candle. That can be a bearish sign on the weekly candlestick. But remember, if the next week's candle closes below this monthly support, then I can tell you, then we are going to see some good correction in the market after that, correct? But as of now, the outlook is not bullish anymore. You now can't be bullish on the market like previously. I was telling you that yeah, on the weekly charts and on the monthly charts we are still bullish. I was shouting that. But now, after seeing this candle, we can't be completely bullish. We can't say that okay, I'm bullish in the market on the weekly and the monthly chart. There are clear signs on the weekly chart. So looking at this candle, you can't be bullish in the market as of now, right? So can you be bearish? Obviously we are waiting for a confirmation for our bearish movement. But by the time you can be short in the market, right? You can look for the bear trades in the market. But as far as taking a bull trade now, a long trade now, is I don't think is a good idea, right? Obviously the bearish signs are just getting unfolded. They are not yet completely unfolded by the market. But being bullish now in the market, I don't think is a good idea, right? Let me take you to the monthly chart to show you what sort of candle monthly. Look at this candle, the monthly candle which is forming on the market, which is not yet completed. I think how many days? Around 6-7 days of trading left in the month. But looks like to me this is also a reversal candlestick patterns is forming in the Nifty 50 as of now. So yeah, being bullish in the market now is not a good idea. But nobody should think that okay, if we are not bullish in the market, then we should be bearish in the market. No, that's also not a good idea, because we don't have confirmation on the weekly chart yet, and apart from that, monthly chart candle is not yet completed. So yeah, this is why long-term trading it needs patience, and it's something which takes time to get incorporated on the charts, and then we can decide based upon that. But once the signals comes, then the after movement is also great always, right? Some of the movement we will miss out because we will take time on the longer time to get confirmation, but yeah, after that the movement comes after that is also great. Last time also the analysis, you can see 2-3 weeks back, you can go and now you can see that when market started rising, I have told you that yeah, definitely we missed out on the movement of the 100 or 200 points or maybe more than that, but after that we have seen some good movement of 500-600 points after that also. So yeah, that's why waiting for the monthly and weekly confirmation and being completely sure about that yeah, there is a change, the change has been incorporated on the longer time frame charts also, and after that taking a trade accordingly is a good idea. But when you are not so sure, you should avoid that. So yeah, taking a bull trade is not a good idea. Taking a bear trade, yeah, little bit risk you can take, and you can take the trade. That's what we can see as of now, right? Taking to the daily chart, back to the daily chart, and as you can see on the daily chart also, market has taken support. So this is a important thing has happened in the market today, as market has went to its old levels. Today market made a low of 450, 15,450. So yeah, I think that as great support market has taken from this level, it is not going to be a walk of ice for the market to break below this level. It will take a huge selling pressure for market to go below this level. But as of now, till market didn't go below this level, we can't be bearish on the longer time frame. As far as daily time frame is concerned, this candle looks like to be a candle of significance, but the thing is that this candle is neither at the top or nor at the bottom, right? This candle is made right in the between. You can see this candle has been made, the body of this candle is made right in the between, not at the upper side nor neither on the downside. It is right in the middle, right? But as you can see, I think that there is going to be little bit of correction in the little bit of recovery in the market yet to come. We can see a little bit of recovery because full bearish movement will come after market goes below this level only. But let's see, the Monday is going to be very important day because this candle definitely have some significance. But this candle has been made in the between, that's why we can't comment, right? That's why we need one more confirmation, correct? So on the Monday we can have a confirmation from the market. Once the confirmation comes, then again we can decide as to where market is headed, right? As of now, whatever we had talked about is happening in the market, so let be cool and calm. Let wait for the more proper things to be visible on the charts. After that we can confidently decide as to which way we are going to trade, right? So now as the market is a lot below this level, this all-time high, that's why I'm telling you this level this time is going to be a resistance for the market. Like previously we have seen that market was easily making all-time new highs and highs. Now this time it is not going to be that easy, because after making a all-time high, we have not seen market come this low from the all-time high. Previously, yeah, market was making all-time highs, then was trading near that level only. But now today we have seen that market has came a lot below its all-time high, so it is going to be a resistance. So what I think is that market is going to show us a little bit of more recovery and will try to reach to that level, as we have seen a great good fall today, a sharp fall today. And apart from that, we are seeing prices getting closer lower from the previous 3 days only, right? So I am hoping for a little bit of recovery now in the market on the Mondays, and after that we can decide. And on the weekly chart and the monthly chart, I had already told you. And as to what we are looking on the weekly charts, I have already communicated to you. So let's go to the hourly chart and the shorter time frame to find out what we can expect on the Monday. And I have told you, I am definitely expecting a little bit of more recovery in the market. Let's see what has happened today in the market on the short-term time frame. So you can see this first candle, the first hour candle came below this important level. I have told you this gap up. Market has opened a gap up on this particular level and was taking support on this level. As soon as market came below to this level, I have told you, once market comes below to this level, we are going to see a sharp fall, and we have seen a sharp fall. Then we have seen again recovery, and market went above this level. That's why I think that when market will again try to come below this level, market is definitely going to face a little bit of support here, a hurdle here, and that's why I feel like little bit of recovery is possible in the market. But this level is again is going to be really important level. As you can see, I had told you yesterday also this candle faced resistance on this line, and again today markets, the first hourly candle has also faced resistance on this particular level. So I think this is going to be another significant level when where market can face resistance. If goes above this level, then yeah, on the intraday basis you can be long on the market. Till when? You can be long on the market till this level, right? Till this level you can be long on the market once market goes above this particular level. If not, then wait. If market comes below this level, then again you can short the market. So this is the trading plan for the Monday. So I hope you are completely clear about the trading plan on the Monday and what are the possibilities. Look, that was my opinion when I said that I feel a little bit of recovery is possible. But what is the game plan to trade? I have communicated on the weekly and on the daily and on the monthly chart. We are all clear about the Nifty 50. So I hope you got it completely. Now moving to the Bank Nifty, not wasting much time. So here is the Bank Nifty, and you can see Bank Nifty has also came to test its old level, and here you can see, yeah, definitely one thing is there in the Bank Nifty. After the indecision, we have a confirmation in the Bank Nifty of a bearish movement, but again you can see this level is going to the important. So I feel like Bank Nifty will try to be on this level for some more time, right? Bank Nifty is going to spend some time near here only, and that's why I'm telling you that that's why I have told you on the longer time frame in the Nifty 50 as well that we can't be bullish anymore, because we have some signals of the bearish movement in the Nifty Bank as well, right? So I hope now you got it right as to why I am telling you not to be bullish on the Nifty 50. The second reason is here, these both indices moves in a good correlation, and we have to respect that. That's why I think that okay, if Nifty 50 is not yet giving any such signals on the weekly chart or on the daily chart, but Bank Nifty is definitely giving us some strong bearish movement signs, right? But this level is going to be the important level, so I hope you'll take care of this level in the future also, because this is an important level. Now here on the Bank Nifty, weekly chart, as you can see, I feel like there's a bearish movement has been started in the Bank Nifty, right? So Bank Nifty has not made any particular candle. This candle looks like an indices. This candle looks like a reversal candlestick pattern to me, similar to the Nifty 50's weekly candle, but confirmation is yet needed in this candle also up. But the as I have told you, can't be bullish in the Nifty 50, you can't be bullish in the Bank Nifty as well. But as I have told you that in Nifty 50 you can take a short trade, but that trade is not going to be that confident because confirmation is not there. But in the Bank Nifty we are going to be a bit more confident on the bearish side, right? We are going to be a bit more confident on the bearish side because we do have some sort of signs in the Bank Nifty, correct? So now this is the longer time frame analysis. Now I'm taking to the shorter time frame, so that you can decide as to what you should do on the Monday, how you should trade. So again you can see that market is moving towards this level. I have told you this level is an important level. I have marked it on the 15-minute chart. I can mark it on the hourly chart also, but on the 15-minute chart it gives us better visuals. That's why I have marked it here. So for any sort of bullish movement, if you are expecting if you want to go long in the Bank Nifty, I am telling you, please wait till market crosses this level, right? If market once crosses this level, then you can be long in the market. Otherwise, if market goes and face resistance here, again you can short the market and you'll get some good profit. So I hope you are completely clear about the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. So now let me show you how our stocks work that I had suggested you yesterday for today trading. Unbelievable profit, and IndusInd Bank is just giving us good profit from last 2 days. So I have told you to short the IndusInd Bank below the level of 980, and IndusInd Bank made a low of 960. So my god, 20 points profit straight away. So I hope everybody you enjoyed the stock. So second stock, what, Eicher Motor, I think you guys were able to book good profit in this also. I have told you to short the Eicher Motor below 2644. Sorry, it's 2664, and today's low of Eicher Motor is 2644. So 20 points below this particular stock also. So yeah, 20 points move in both the stocks in our favor. So I hope you were able to book good profits. So no stocks I'm sharing today, guys, because I don't share stocks when there are holidays, because there can be a lot of changes in the market. There can be a lot of things which can change. That's why I don't suggest the stocks on the Fridays, but on the Monday definitely will do that. So thank you so much for watching this video till end, everyone. I hope you liked the video and understood everything that has been communicated. So thank you so much. Please press the like button, share the video, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, guys.